way to grow muscles as follow. First, exercise. Exercise is a great way to build muscle. By exercising regularly, you can strengthen the muscle for any part of your body. By exercising, you will also get more complete understanding of your endurance and strength. Arm exercise should be done to increase arm strength and tone. And second, your diet should contain protein, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to get the nutrients needed for muscle growth. High protein and vitamin food should be consumed through which muscle growth will be possible. Meat, fish, pulses, grapes, fruits, and vegetables can be used as much as foods. This would help to increase your muscle strength.